Hey kids, so today I'm going to show you how to share your files and folders from your Google Drive. Okay, so here we go. I'll click on these 9 dots, that is Google Apps Launcher, and I'll open my Google Drive. Now, as and when my Google Drive gets open, I'll look for the file that I want to share with everybody. Okay, so here is the file. I want to share this picture or image with everyone. So what I will do is I'll right click on this picture. When I right click, I get an option share. Okay. So I'll click on this share button. Once I click on the share button, I get a window like this. It is called as share with people and groups. Okay. Now suppose you want to share any one of your file, maybe a Google Doc, maybe a PDF, maybe an image, maybe a presentation with your teachers. Okay, so suppose you want to share this file with me. So I will type my email ID over here. Email ID also comes as and when I start writing my name. So I will type the email ID, or I can select the correct email ID also. Okay, and then in front of my email ID, you will see one option called editor. When I click on the editor, there are three options that are given to me. That is a viewer, commenter, and editor. So if you want the person that you are sharing the file with me, suppose you are sharing the file with me. Okay, so if you want me to only view the file, if you don't want me to change anything in the file, you can make me the viewer, click on viewer and send this file to me. Suppose you want me to edit the file, then click on this editor and send this file to me. You can also insert a message. You can also type a message over here. Suppose you have made a presentation and you have put some animations and transitions in that presentation. So when you share that file with me, you can type over here that I have put some animations and transitions on the presentation. So you can click on slideshow and then view the presentation so that you can see the animations and transitions. So any message that you want to attach with that file, you can put it over here and click on send option. Now you get one more thing, that is suppose you are working in a breakout room. Okay, and a teacher has made you the leader and you are going to create a Google document or a Google slide presentation. Now sharing that presentation or document with all your team members, the breakout room members, will be troublesome. Like you have to take their email ID, put it over here and share it with them one by one all together. So that takes time. So what you can do is, in the get link section, you see there is a share with Acres Foundation option. You can click on share with Acres Foundation. There is an option that comes, the similar option. You can make them as viewer or editor. Okay, so in your breakout room, you can share this file. Okay, change it to Acres Foundation, then change it to editor, copy this link from your copy link option and put that link in the chat box. Now what will happen is, anyone with that particular link can edit your file. So once your breakout rooms are over, okay, suppose you have made them the editor. Okay, you can copy this link. You have copied the link, put it in the chat box. Now once your breakout room is over, you can again right click over here, click on share, and see over here you can change it back to viewer so that nobody can do any changes to your file after that, and click on done. Okay, so only till your breakout room, your team members, because only they have the link for your file, can do the changes. And once the breakout room are over, you can change the setting and make them only the viewer so that your team members still can view the file, but they cannot change it as the breakout rooms are ended. Okay, so this is how you share your files or folders. The same goes for folders also. Now I have a folder over here, my documents. I want to share this folder uh, my with my teacher. So I'll right click on the folder, click on the share, and as you can see, the same window opens, share with people and group. So it's the same thing applies for a file and a folder. I hope that was clear for you all.